an update on CLSK, which we started yesterday. We bought this right above 23. You know, you can see there's a day, a weekly, monthly, and a quarterly, so it's a really strong level there. I kind of went over this trade and how I normally, because it's so strong there, probably would have gone heavier with maybe like instead of 100 shares, maybe what about 200 shares. But the fact that the next level was, you know, maybe 4 points down was a little bit further away than I would have liked. Meaning, if I would have bought 200 shares and we lose 4 points, I would have been down $800 before it hit the next level, and then down another, call it another about $1,100 in total before it got to this quarterly down here. So stayed safe. Started off with 100 shares. However, we're not getting deep in the trade so far. We've got a trend reversal. So you can see here she made a higher high. So as you can, well, let me back up so you understand what I'm saying. So downward trend, lower, lower, lower low, lower low, lower low, lower lows, right? Right now we have a new high followed by a higher low. Let me zoom in for you. So this is a higher low. And then right now, this will literally what's going on right now with this push. If we get a new higher high, that will seal the deal on a true trend reversal, saying that this is definitely moving in an upward trend. Now, we're up over 2.5 points. I mean, this is a good spot. How I will gauge an exit, this is a 20-minute, so this is a 20-minute chart. This is a 20-minute SMA. So I am planning on doing an exit at the point that these two meet again. So you can see that at the point of this fall off, go back. So when this started collapsing, keep in mind this is a 20-minute, right? So it always comes back to the moving average. So this guy rocketed up, came back down to the 20-minute SMA, kind of hovered around it, dipped below it, rocketed, but it's always hovering around it. So right when this stock started to sell off, it really got separated from that 20-minute because it started selling off hard. And now, so it coagulated a little bit down here. We got it yesterday. Now it's moving up, so it's moving back to that average. That would be my exit point there. Which, frankly speaking, I mean, we're talking anywhere between, 28 and probably 27, which is going to be about 3 points. I mean, I'll probably take half off at 3 points. I'm okay with that. We didn't get heavy into the stock, but it's a win. So it should be, hopefully it should come today. If not, I mean, we're still in a good spot, but it's so far so good. You can see, yesterday we bought 100 shares, so we've made 2 points here. It's going to hit this 1 minute 20, hopefully try to shove back up into this new zone here. So we are doing good with this one. Just want to give you an update if you got in.